This is the kind of tool and solution that will enable us to scale our business and to manage the complexity, which is going to be where the world is going to go. This is Jeff Kellar from VPET USA. I've been the CEO here since 2019, and we had a pretty exhilarating day today with the B2Wise team in terms of our DDBrix training. I think what was most compelling for me about the training today is that we got a very clear understanding of how the model operates, so that we weren't looking at a black box that was giving us answers. We actually were able to track the process, the thinking, and the parameters of how it worked. And for me, that's invaluable. And it also creates a level of engagement by the team for them to understand what they're going to put into it, what needs to go into it, and what they're going to get out of it. Yeah, I think the applications today, the hands-on treatment, well, there were two really big benefits out of it. One was that I'm a visual learner, and I think that the Legos is a very good way for people to really see the movement and the flow that's really critical in the process overall. But then the other part of it too is that we had individuals in the organization in from all of our functional groups. And so not only did we get the visual benefit of the Legos, but we got the interaction with other people in the organization at the same time. So we all walk away with kind of a shared appreciation of the benefits that will likely derive from this. So the reason we're starting this journey is that our company's position in the middle market, and actually really driven by where consumers are going in the US today, is that everybody's looking for more variety, more uniqueness, and that results in shorter runs, not long runs. And this is the kind of tool and solution that will enable us to scale our business and to manage the complexity, which is going to be where the world is going to go.